plus today I will discuss about the salt analysis, that is cation anion analysis, or especially for cation analysis the cations are divided into different groups like zero group, first group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group and sixth group. Especially I focus the fifth group cation, that is the barium, strontium and calcium. ओके क्या करना है आपको, ये देखिए बेटा, सॉल्ट आपने लिया एंड देन ऐड डाइल्यूट NaCl NaOH and heat. No observation, no ammonia like smell, it means first group absent. Okay, and then make a virginal solution for the first group analysis and then add dilute HCl. If there is no PPT, it means first group absent. And after that we will pass H2S gas in presence of HCl and again no PPT, it means second group absent. Okay, and then boil off the H2S gas in second group. After that we will add ammonium chloride, usually solid. After that ammonium hydroxide. If there is no PPT, it means third group is also absent. In fourth group we will pass the H2S gas in presence of ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide, and if there is no PPT, it means fourth group absent. Okay, then boil off the H2S gas in fourth group and cool the test tube and then add ammonium carbonate in presence of ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide, and white PPT is obtained, and this indicates the presence of fifth group. In fifth group there are three radicals, that is the cationic radical, calcium, barium and strontium. Okay, so we will discuss about the barium and then dissolve the white PPT in acetic acid and take 2 or 3 part of the dissolved PPT in different test tube. In first test tube we add the potassium iodide, yellow color PPT obtained. In second test tube we add a potassium chromate, okay, and again a yellow color PPT obtained, and this indicates the presence of barium 2 plus ion, and that is the confirmatory test for the barium. Okay, ओके क्लास, देखिए बेटा सॉल्ट लिया टेस्ट ट्यूब में एंड देन ऐड NaOH. No ammonia like smell, it means zero group absent. Okay, and then first group agent, that is dilute HCl. dilute HCl किया आपने, ओके, एंड dilute HCl ऐड किया आपने फॉर फर्स्ट ग्रुप. अगेन नो PPT, it means first group absent. Okay, and then pass H2S gas through the Gibbs apparatus. Okay, and no PPT again formed. It means second group absent. Then boil off the H2S gas by heating. Okay, ये boil off किया आपने H2S gas को by the heating. And boil off करने के बाद फिर थोड़ा टेस्ट ट्यूब को कूल कर ले, and then add the third group reagent, that is ammonium chloride solid. Ammonium chloride solid. This is the ammonium chloride, and ammonium hydroxide. This is the ammonium hydroxide. Okay. And again no PPT. It means third group absent. Okay, third group absent. And then again pass the H2S gas through the Gibbs apparatus. And no PPT is observed. It means fourth group absent. And again boil off the H2S gas. Okay, boil off the H2S gas. And then cool the test tube and add ammonium carbonate in presence of ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. And this is the ammonium carbonate. Okay, ammonium carbonate आपने ऐड किया, and there is a white PPT. देखें आप कितना अच्छा white PPT आ रहा है. It means fifth group present. और possibilities किसकी हो गई? कैल्शियम, बेरियम एंड स्ट्रोंशियम, तीनों की possibilities होती हैं. बट अब आप सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करोगे बेरियम के लिए. इफ बेरियम इज प्रेजेंट इट मीन्स स्ट्रोंशियम एंड कैल्शियम आर एब्सेंट. तो अगेन अब आपको क्या करना है? डिसॉल्व द पीपीटी इन एसिटिक एसिड. ओके, एसिटिक एसिड में पीपीटी को डिसॉल्व करेंगे. दिस इज द एसिटिक एसिड. ओके, एंड देन डिसॉल्व द पीपीटी इन एसिटिक एसिड. देखें पीपीटी ओके. तो पीपीटी अगर आप देखें डिसॉल्व हो गई है. And then divide this solution into two parts. In first part, we will add the potassium chromate. This is the potassium chromate. Okay. And yellow color PPT is obtained, and this is the confirmed test for the barium. And similarly, in the second part, we also add the potassium iodide, this solution. Okay, potassium iodide, and yellow color PPT is obtained. Okay, so this is the confirmatory test for the barium ion. Okay. Yes. For anion test, again we take a salt in a dry test tube, then add a first group reagent, that is the dilute H2SO4. Okay, this is the dilute H2SO4, and then observe what happened. Yes, a carbon dioxide gas evolved. Okay, this indicates the presence of carbonate ion, that is the suspected test. And again, we will pass this gas into the lime water. Okay. Then pass the gas evolved, that is a carbon dioxide, in a lime water, and lime water turns milky. This indicates the presence of the carbonate ion. And if we pass in excess, okay, if we pass in excess, then a milky color disappears due to the formation of the bicarbonate. And this is the confirmatory test for the carbonate ion. It means the given salt contain barium ion Ba2+, which is 5th group cationic radical, and the anion, that is the carbonate, that is a first group, that is CO3 negative ion. Okay, and the salt is barium carbonate. Okay, class.